A small cut can turn into a serious skin infection. One ointment can stop it fast if you use it correctly. Let's talk about Mupirocin. Mupirocin is a topical antibiotic ointment, commonly known by the brand name centany. It is used to treat and prevent bacterial skin infections. When the skin is cut or damaged, bacteria can easily enter. This may cause redness, swelling, itching, pain, and pus. Mupirocin stops bacteria from growing and helps the skin heal faster. Can be used in adults and children above 3 months of age. One common use of Mupirocin in children is Impetigo. Impetigo is a contagious skin infection, mostly seen in children under 5 years. It causes red, itchy sores, usually around the nose and mouth. If untreated, these sores may burst and form yellow crusts. Mupirocin is very effective in treating this condition. What is Mupirocin? Mupirocin is a natural antibiotic made from bacteria called Pseudomonas fluorescens. It works against many bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes. That's why it is called a broad-spectrum antibiotic. How to use Mupirocin? Mupirocin is available as a 2% ointment or cream. For skin infections, apply a thin layer to the affected area. Use 3 times daily. Continue for up to 10 days. Wash hands before and after use. Improvement is usually seen within 5 days. Mupirocin also comes as a nasal ointment, which is different. Never use skin ointment inside the nose. How it works. Bacteria need proteins to grow. Mupirocin blocks protein production, which stops bacteria from multiplying. As a result, the infection clears. Side effects. Common side effects are mild and include burning or stinging, redness, dry skin. Serious allergic reactions are rare, but if you notice swelling of the face, lips, or severe itching, stop using it and see a doctor. Important warnings. Do not use in the eyes. Do not use on mouth or mucosa. Do not use for fungal infections. Using it wrongly can worsen the condition. Final words. Mupirocin is a safe and effective antibiotic ointment when used correctly. Always follow instructions and avoid overuse. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Brainbusters. Thanks for watching.